Miss Universe 2025 Fatima Bosch, nag-walkout na naman, Andrea Meza inaatake ng mga kalahi niya. Miss Universe 2020 from Mexico na si Andrea Meza, pinagtutulungang binabash ngayon ng mga kababayan niya dahil sa ginawa niyang pagtatanggol sa Telemundo. Si Andrea Meza ay nagtatrabaho sa Telemundo bilang isang entertainment reporter and host. Lately, nasa New York si Miss Universe 2025 Fatima Bosch, at isa sa mga activities niya ang guesting niya sa Telemundo. Doon sumalang siya sa isang interview kung saan naman tinanong siya about sa issues na nakadikit sa pagkapanalo niya, at sa mga issues na kinakaharap ngayon ng Miss Universe organization like fraud, at freezing money, and internal and external investigations. At isa sa itinanong ng Telemundo ay ito, I quote, "What would you say to the girls who may not have the privilege of a visa like yours?" End quote, na sinagot naman ni Fatima ng ganito, I quote, "I don't know the rules in detail, but everyone should have the same opportunities to win no matter what their passports. Miss Universe is a business and a job. If you have to travel around the world, it's obvious that you need someone who can travel easily." End quote. Matapos ang mabibigat na mga tanong, doon na hindi nakatiis at nag-walkout ito. Matapos nito binabash ng mga Meksikano ang Telemundo dahil napakabully daw nito kay Fatima asking rude questions, pero ipinagtanggol ni Andrea Meza ang mga kasamahan by saying that the journalists were just doing their job by asking the uncomfortable questions the public wanted to hear. Ayon sa paliwanag niya, "My colleagues just asked all the questions the audience has, they only did their job and their commitment to represent them or the audience to all of you, the audience, seeking to answer the doubts of the audience." Ayon pa sa kanya, in the world of pageants, title holders should be prepared to handle tough questions gracefully as part of their media role. Anong masasabi mo rito? Tama ba ang bashing na ibinabato kay Andrea Meza ngayon? Please comment down. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.